Today we're going to review how to use different communication boards. This is a very low-tech way to help a patient with ALS communicate. We have a variety of communication boards here. This is not all the communication boards that are available. You can create your own, you can find them online. Some of them are more medically related, like this one. Some of them are fairly simple, like this one with letters and numbers and yes or no. And you can make them as specific as you want them to be to tailor your needs for the things that you might ask for and need during the day. They do also come in a variety of languages. So this one, for example, has the same phrases and words on the front and back, but one is in Spanish and one is in English. And then what you see here is actually a booklet of different communication boards. They're categorized at the bottom by different categories, and within each category there are different phrases that you can use to request. You can also create your own if you need something that's larger. For a patient who might be in bed and needs something hanging up on the wall, this is always a good option because it's large and easy to see. When you're using a communication board, if you do still have hand function, you can point to what you want to request. If that's become a challenge and you can't raise your arms, you could always have your caregiver hold up the board for you and point, and when they get to where you want to select, you can blink or just show something to indicate that you've made a selection. Another option is something like this. So on both sides we have the same thing. If you put your eyes through here and you look up to the box, what I'm looking at here is the same one over here. So we'll indicate to the person you're communicating with what you want to say. And another option for patients who want to make a selection on their own, if they still have head and neck movement, they can use something like a head-mounted laser. And once you turn the laser on, you have a red laser pointer, so you can lie in bed and use this to make a selection, and you can point with the laser at whatever you want to select. Very low-tech way of creating, or a DIY way of creating something like this, is just going to the dollar store, buying a pair of glasses, popping out the lenses, and getting a cat laser toy, and taping it on the end, and then you have yourself a head-mounted laser. Again, there are many options. This is just a couple examples. If you are ever interested or think you need one, feel free to reach out to your assistive technology specialist to see if we have any available in the